Hi, I'm back with the salt slime. So I did this where I added salt in it 10 days ago, and it was stiff, all right? It was super stiff. But now it's not really. Of course, the beads fall out like usual. I'll clean that up later. Mommy will clean that up later. Okay. It's still, I can't do this anymore. It's still stiff, but it's actually not like you think. You think when you overactivate a slime, I have one right here actually. It's very like water, I say. There's water on my hand. But that's actually activator because you overactivate your slime. Well, you would think that this would be like that because it's stiff, but it's not like that. It's more like, I don't know what it's more like. It's more like a can't stretch slime. I'm putting this thing up. I'll just tell you.
Show them your Grinch drawing.
Huh?
Show them your Grinch thing you made.
The what thing?
The Grinch thing you made.
The Grinch. I made this.
Pretty.
Yep. The Grinch is holding an ornament. I went somewhere. Yeah, was it yesterday? Yeah, okay. I went somewhere yesterday where you could do your own little Christmas thing, but my mommy had to draw that because they ran out. Okay, that's very cleaned up. So yeah, it's mostly stiff, but it's not stretchy. That's what it mostly. It's not stretchy, but you think it would be watery because when you overactivate a slime, it's wet. That slime I just showed you over there, it was wet. Yeah. I have this little tiny slime hack I like to do with it. It's where it doesn't matter how small, it doesn't matter how big it is. It could be bigger than this, it could be super small, it could be like this tiny and you could still do it. You take the slime and you want it a little bit flat, okay, and you're going to pull it. We're going to go like this, and you see like all of the air that just caught into it. You're going to twirl it after all the air has caught onto it, and you might see these, and then you pop it. That was a good one. I like that. Ooh, that was nice. I'm going to try to do it the whole slime real fast to see if I can do it. Oh, this is another thing I like to do. I was just going to do it real fast because you guys already saw that. And yep. And let me just do that one big thing of the slime thing real fast. Because that'll take me 2 seconds. Skunk. on stretching time. Yup.
Blake took my popcorn.
I like this. Bye.